Hello, 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival. I am Tanmay Nag, director and producer of the film Manvi, and I am thankful to you for the official selection of a film at your valued festival. Before making this film, we had a lot of discussion. Actually, I have my co-writer, Dr. Sumita Chatterjee. We had a lot of discussion on the subject, and after a lot of discussion, we have decided to make a film on the psychology of a gender queer. Who is educated. Actually, an educated gender queer, in my opinion, is still not acceptable in their society and in our society too. Beyond all the laws we have in our country, still we cannot accept from our mind the gender queers who are educated or who are not educated. So we have decided to make the film on the subject, and we have tried to make it enjoyable to the audience. Though it is a parallel film and it was very tough to arrange funds for the film, I have to produce it myself because it is my passion. Still, I think the way we have made the film is a little different, and it will be enjoyable to the audience because some commercial aspects are also there, a little comedy and little drama is there. So everyone will enjoy the film.
Hello, I am Sumita Chatterjee, Associate Professor of Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. At first, I would like to thank 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival for the official selection of our project Manvi. As being one of the writers of this film, I think the subject on which we try to express is a little new because we have experienced a lot of good film on gender queer, but the psychological problem of an educated gender queer is untouched till now. I wrote the same along with director and producer of this film, Mr. Tanmay Nag. We both had so many contradictions for बहुत झगड़े भी हुए और इसको लेकर के बहुत हम लोगों में वितर्क भी हुआ, but both of us tried to accept the logical opinion.
It was really challenging for me to act as Manvi, an educated gender queer, and I have tried to give my best. And now this will be up to jury, their choice, and audience, and I respect their choice. Hoping for the best.
I played the character role of mad woman here, and that's completely symbolic. The internal feeling of Manvi is represented through the shades of the characters. It was really so challenging. I had to work a lot to match the character. I must say characters because I had too many characters there. The subject was too good and I loved working in the film. Trust me.
I played the character of an old man who is basically having a little psychological disorder. It was challenging. I had to work a lot to match the character. I think the subject is touchy and written well. The execution is good and hopeful.
Right now, we are focusing on festivals around the globe, and after the festivals, we have a plan to release the film through OTT platforms. And if the COVID situation is over by that time, then we can go for the theatrical release also.
We are thankful to Professor Shobhana Joshi. She is my colleague too. उन्होंने काफ़ी समय दिया हम लोगों को ये जेंडर क्वीर का जो साइकोलॉजी है इसको समझने के लिए। आशा करती हूँ कि हमारी ये प्रचेष्टा सबको अच्छा लगेगा Definitely, the message what we want to deliver through this film, that is, you have to fight against your own hurdles. तभी हम अपनी ज़िंदगी को जी पाएंगे अच्छे से.
This is a really very good thing for us, or a very good thing for all filmmakers like us. That 11th Dada Saheb Film Festival, 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival is inspiring us to make the films like these parallel films and all films based on contents which is necessary, I think necessary for the society today. Thank you, the 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival. Thanks a lot.